Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Tradespeople's Tips. Today we have a door lock that we're going to be replacing. This is the door lock that's on the door. This is the one we're going to be replacing it with. Here you have 4 screw holes. I'm just going to use this one here and as an example of what we had. Now if you look at that just in the corner there, you can see the screws not sitting square, and again under here, try your best to get them to sit in flush. You get a lot better finish once you've done it. That looks like it's got something inside there. Don't know what it is. We'll find that out as well. Okay, let's do this thing properly. We're going to stop and start again. See you in a minute. Next step will be fitting it. Okay ladies and gentlemen, this is just an example of our door handle fitted on. Right now, before this was our handle that we've taken off. Okay, now it's got 4 holes in it, and the rod, which is this one here, it's basically the same size. So what we ended up with is that on there, but you can see that hole there and that hole there is where these 2 fit. So this had a similar handle because they line up and they cover all these holes, right? But these are exposed, so just 2 actually. Yeah, if we open the door on the other side, again fits in there, cover those, fits in there, so that will be all covered. So what we're going to do now, we're just going to put them in and we're going to use the same rod and screw it together and show you. See you in a minute. Okay, I'm back again now. See this rod here, see that groove there, and under here there's an Allen screw. So if we was to, that handle we fitted on, if we raise it around that way, there it is. So you slacken that off to its maximum, don't drop it. Then this groove part here, that will go facing downwards towards the Allen screw, and then you put that in there and you just give it a little pressure on it and it should just go straight in there, just like that. See, then you get what you want. And then this side now, you've done the same too. You should be able to just press it straight on there, and there you go, catch your 2 screws. And then once you've done it, again press your handle down and tighten up under here. Okay, so we're just gonna put these 2 in first and then do the other 2. See you in a minute. Okay, there's our door handle all fitted, and if I press it down, you can see where I've said we've tightened up back our torque screws on both sides. Right, also the screws where I said earlier on, try and get them to sit nice and flush so they look better in the time. See, everything is all good, our lock is on. So until next time, from Tradespeople's Tips, if you're out there robbing people, stop doing it. There's the 2 little holes I said at the top, and that's all there is to it, and those 2 there. Okay, so stop robbing people if you're out there doing it. From Tradespeople's Tips, till next time, see you later, have a good life and look after each other. See ya.